subscribe to Plunder.
Hey Chris,
Yes, babe.
can you grab me my charger with the wall plug, please? Chris steals all my stuff. Hey Jody. And here's your what? There you go. Why is what, Sharon? I should make Chris go pour me a glass of wine. That's not what I'm doing right now, though.
I know it's time.
Alright, I'm back. You guys there? Can you hear me? Hey Chris. He's doing laundry. I hear him in the laundry room. He needs to get me my wine. Very little bit. Jody wants to know where my wine is. Doing laundry, I told her.
Yeah.
He's doing the kids' laundry.
Laundry. Proof.
We don't dry the kids' clothes, so he's hanging them because he's being a good dad and helping me out. It is a mask. It is a mask. And I will put a video on my VIP group one day when I put it on Chris, because I can do it tonight too if you guys want me to. You just say the word and I'll make him wash his face. I'll throw another video on here in just a minute doing his face. He does whatever I tell him to anyway, so he'll do it.
HLN reporter Ashley Banfield was axed or let go only 8 days after an episode of her HLN show titled Crime and Justice aired. It was about Chris and Shanann Watts, their Facebook videos. They were delving deeper into the crime, and strangely enough, that episode has been deleted. Ashley Banfield was laid off from her Crime and Justice HLN show after this episode titled Shocking Vids Unearthed from Mom's Facebook, Mom's Chilling Post, I Couldn't Ask for a Better Man, aired on October 8th, 2018. We're going to take a deeper look at some of the clips that Ashley Banfield used in that episode, and we will also look at the transcript of the show because that's the only thing that exists from the show. On November 27, 2016, Shanann Watts went live on Facebook in a series of videos within the 12 Days of Christmas sale. It was a Facebook event that lasted from November 25th, 2016 at 2 a.m. Eastern Time until December 8th, 2016 at 2 a.m. Eastern Time. Shanann posted a bunch of cosmetic tutorials to that 12 Days of Christmas sale.